Hello students. In this class we are going to see the sex-linked diseases. This will be the last point of your unit number 3. Today we are finished your unit number 3. Okay. So in case of sex-linked, we assume that there are genetic disorders which are based on the genes, which are based on the chromosomes, and which are based on the biochemicals in your body. Now in this class we are going to see the sex linked diseases. We all know that human cell has 46 chromosomes. Out of that, these are 22 are the autosomes, and this one pair, X and Y chromosomes, they are the sex chromosomes. Chromosomes, they are DNA, consist of DNA and the proteins. DNA are the hereditary materials or the hereditary particles, and then there is a presence of proteins. So these two content, they are present onto the chromosomes. Now, genes on the DNA of chromosomes encode the traits. आपको माहिती है कि these are the genes who are responsible for the encoding of traits. प्रत्येक जीन ही त्या कॅरेक्टरला ते काही फिजिकल अपीअरन्स आहे ह्याच्यासाठी कारणीभूत आहे. हे कसं असतं की देर प्रेझेन्स ऑफ जीन कुठे असतात, DNA वरती असतात, देन mRNA and then proteins, just like this. DNA through the process of transcription forms the mRNA, and from the mRNA to the process of translations, that is a protein. So the formation of RNA molecules from the DNA, that called as a transcription process. The formation of mRNA molecules from the DNA, that called it as a transcription, and the formation of proteins from the RNA, we call it as a translation process. So these two processes, they are very much important to form the proteins, to function any genes priorly or properly. These two processes are very important to form inside a cell. Let's talk about the chromosomes. We are having 22 pairs of chromosomes. These 22 pairs are homologous chromosomes. They are similar in features. They are same in size, shape, structures. Then we are having sex chromosomes. when sex chromosomes, एक आहे होमोगॅमेटिक सेक्स क्रोमोझोम्स आणि सेकंड पेअर जी आहे इट इज ए हेटेरोगॅमेटिक सेक्स क्रोमोझोम्स. जेव्हा एक्स एक्सेस असतात ते आर द होमोगॅमेटिक, आणि जेव्हा एक्स आणि वाय असतात ते आर द हेटेरोगॅमेटिक सेक्स क्रोमोझोम्स. On the X chromosomes, there are about approximately 2000 genes are present, and these genes are the sex-linked diseases caused by the mutation of a gene on X chromosomes. जे काही sex chromosomes आहेत, they are caused on to the mutation of sex chromosomes. Now, when you talk about the X-linked diseases, there are some diseases, they are dominant diseases called as X-linked dominant diseases, and some are Y-linked diseases, they called as X-linked recessive diseases. आता हे जे डॉमिनंट अँड रिसेसिव्ह काय आहेत, वी हॅव सीन द मेंडल्स लॉ ऑफ डॉमिनन्स की they are majorly caused and some are recessively caused. So some are dominant diseases and some are recessive diseases. आता हे जे काही X linked dominant diseases आहेत, they cause when being homozygous and heterozygous of affected mutant chromosomes. दोन होमोझायगस किंवा हेट्रोझायगस म्युटेशन तिथं असतील क्रोमोझोमवरती, that time this is caused. They appear in some proportion in both male and female. Then one X chromosome having mutation can cause diseases. Female both homozygous and heterozygous for mutant X chromosomes are affected, and all the daughters of affected father. So जेवढ्या काही मुली आहेत, those are received from their father. Now, This is a inheritance of X-linked dominant diseases like affected father, unaffected mother. इथे फादरच्या एक्स क्रोमोझोमला अफेक्ट झालेला आहे, बट मदर कशी आहे, नॉर्मल आहे. द सन विल बी द अनअफेक्टेड, डॉटर विल बी द अफेक्टेड. म्हणजे बोथ द डॉटर दे गेट अफेक्टेड, बट बोथ द सन दे आर नॉर्मल. Now, first आहे hypophosphatemia. Hypophosphatemia is an excellent dominant form of rickets. म्हणजे तुमच्या हाडामध्ये कमतरता येणं त्याला म्हणतो आपण रिकेट्स. इट can cause bone deformity including short statures, and it is associated with a mutation in the FEX genes. हे जे तिथे सिलेबसला नाही आहे, but you should know the what is. So in this kind of hypophosphatemia, there is a low amount of phosphate is present in your body. So this is a hypophosphatemia. Then X-linked diseases मध्ये काय असतं की they causes only when only homozygous of mutant chromosomes. जेव्हा दोनही XX असतील that time they cause the recessive mutation. They cause in male in more proportion than the female. Then they needed two mutant X chromosomes to cause the disease. Then heterozygous female are carrier. Then all sons are affected from the mother. And in some diseases, heterozygous show some degree of disease because difference in X chromosome inactivations. And then it is the most important title, it will be they are the more common than the X-linked dominant diseases. The example in these recessive mutations we can see here that the daughters are unaffected, and if they are affected they are carriers than the affected, but the son they are having chances to get the affected or to get the diseases from their mother. Now example, it is a color blindness. I have told you in the last lecture that in case of color blindness we cannot differentiate the difference in between green color and red color, and this is they are having the low ability to see color or the difference in color, and because there are it is due to the because of the fault in the development of one or more three sets of color sensing cones in the eyes. Your eyes where there are presence of different cones for the different coloration. जेवढे काही 7 कलर आहेत, जे काही 7 कलर आहे त्या 7ही कलरमध्ये एव्हरी कलर हॅज देअर ओन कोन टू रिकग्नाइज इट. आपल्या डोळ्याच्या मध्ये जे काही कोन्स असतात ते वी कॅन से दॅट देर आर द डिफरंट कलर्स, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द default in some cones we cannot differentiate in between this green and red color, and this kind called as a color blindness, which is a X-linked recessive diseases. Then we are having hemophilia. आता hemophilia हा जो आहे there is two types, hemophilia A and the hemophilia B. Hemophilia A मध्ये काय आहे की it is a genetical disease which causes the blood clotting, and it is in usually males. In the terms of symptoms there are internal and external bleedings. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर जखम झाली, सपोज यू आर हॅव्हिंग वुंड, तुमच्या बॉडीला काही झालेलं असेल तर यू विल फाइंड की देर इज ए ब्लड फॉर्म होतं, पण ब्लड काही वेळानंतर तिथे तुम्हाला व्हाईट सेल्स फॉर्म दिसतात. दीज आर द ब्लड क्लॉटिंग सेल्स. सपोज तुमच्या स्किनला काय झालं असेल तर इपिथेलियल सेल जे आहे तुमच्या बॉडीचे ते इपिथेलियल सेल ते गोळा होतात आणि ते ब्लड क्लॉट होण्याचं काम करतात. बट इन केस ऑफ दिस हिमोफिलिक पेशंट्स दे डू नॉट हॅव द ॲबिलिटी टू क्लॉट द ब्लड. म्हणजे सपोज जखम झाली की ते जखममधलं रक्त तसंच कंटिन्यू वाहत जातं जोपर्यंत तिथे म्हणजे द मेल गेट डाय. There is a no clotting of blood is occur in case of hemophilic patients. Hemophilia B is also a blood clotting disorder caused by the factor onto the 10th gene leading to the blood clotting on the factor of 9. It is the second most common form of hemophilia, that is hemophilia A. The condition is marked by the increased clotting time 3 to 8 minutes and the bleeding time 2 to 5 minutes. म्हणजे सपोज तिथे मला काही जखम झाली असेल तर ते ब्लड ऑलमोस्ट इट फॉर द 10 मिनिट्स टू फ्लो तिथे ब्लड क्लॉट होत नाही अँड दॅट काइंड ऑफ कंडिशन्स दे कॉल इट ॲज ए हिमोफिलिक कंडिशन्स. इट इज ए major X-linked recessive disease caused in case of males other than the females. Then these are also suppose we talk about the prognosis of these extinct diseases. They are the genetic diseases, but these are the less curable. म्हणजे जे काही कलर ब्लाइंडनेस असेल, हिमोफिलिया असेल, सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया असेल, these genetic disorders they are less curable. Then lenses, that's the color blindness. Supplementation with recombinant or the plasma concentrate factor hemophilia A, intravenous infusion of factor hemophilia B can be taken. There is no permanent cure of these diseases. But they can be prevented by 100% or carrier not having offsprings. But it can't be strict as being parent is a sensitive issue. These are the first. And there are presence of gene therapies for the upcoming solution. No need. Okay, so these are the sex-linked diseases. These 2 points are very small. So we have completed number 3. Okay. In the next class, we are going to start with number 4th. I will be updating lectures on to the next tomorrow for this. Okay. I'll see you in next class.